guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing green favorites. So I'm going to show you guys all of my green favorite dip powder colors that I absolutely love, and especially as we're like going into fall season. Yeah, I can't wait. Anyways, so every single time that I do these like face-to-face type of videos, I always get questions about the glasses and the frames that I'm wearing. So I figured since I'm doing another face-to-face video, it was like the perfect time to show you guys what I'm wearing. So I actually have a bunch of different pairs. So I have lenses from, I shop around at several different companies, and they're prescription lenses. So you just have to go to an eye doctor, get your prescription lens, and then when you go to these websites, you just type in your numbers, and you can even take a photo, upload the photo to the profile, and like do a virtual try on, so it like lets you see what you're wearing before. Like, I love these. I like really like big glasses. I don't know why, it's just a thing. Anyways, this company called Zinff, they reached out to me. They must have seen you guys asking questions about my glasses, and they offered to send me 2 pairs of glasses. So I chose a couple. I chose this one. I think they're cute. And I also chose some sunglasses. I have never ordered prescription lens sunglasses, but I am so excited because that means it's going to make driving a breeze. And we have a pool here, so I'm like, I'm so excited. Oh, I love these. Aren't they so freaking cute? Maybe it's just me. If you don't wear glasses, I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm really excited for these, and the prescription is literally my prescription. Like, when I put them on, I'm like, it's perfect. It's perfect. So thank you so much, Zinff, for sending those over. I'm really excited about these glasses. I'm gonna have to order some more. They're so cute. So I actually do color favorites. I used to do monthly favorite videos, but right now I'm going through the rainbow color order. So I went through purple, I went through blue, and I'm going through green next. So I'm wearing a green dress to be kind of festive. Hey! So I'm just gonna go through my entire list like I have every single video prior to this and show you guys all of my green favorites. And if I did a video with it, I'll be sure to show you the mani that I did with that. So I'm excited, and keep on watching. Alright, to start this off, the first color I'm going to go with, and it's kind of similar to this dress in color, it's called Spruce It Up from Manny Boss Dip Powder, and I really like it. She released it around Christmas time of last year, and I do think it's a perfect Christmas color. So a lot of my favorite greens are either come out during fall or Christmas time, so you're going to see a lot of that going on. I don't think I have any like false or favorite spring greens. So, or summer greens either. I don't know. Alright, so the next one is called Cricket, and it is from Soul Dip. It literally just released very recently. I haven't had a time to swatch mine, but I really think the gold foils and the green foils in this color are just really, really, really pretty together. I don't know, it's clearly green. There's green in the color, so it's green. I'm calling it green. It's a pretty green. The next color that I really like is called Plant Lady from Soul Dip, and the same situation. It's a white base with green foil. It is so pretty. I love this one. I don't know, I just like, I saw it and I was like, how do I not own this one already? And then I bought it, and now I have it, and I can't wait to wear it. I just don't know how I'm gonna wear it yet. Alright, the next one comes from West Coast Dips. Actually, the next 2 come from West Coast Dips. I haven't had the chance to wear her products yet, but Miranda from Corgi's Wine and Nails has been posting so many manis with West Coast Dips. I'm like, girl, you're making me want to try them. So Esmeralda and Cabana. Those 2 colors, like, one's more on like the tealy green side, and the other one is more of like, I don't know how to call this, a money green. I don't know, it's really, really pretty. I love it. Alright, so the next one is Basil from Dazzle Doll, and I haven't worn Dazzle Doll in a minute. I really need to pull my Dazzle Doll stuff out. They're really, like, this color is a very fall. So, you know, I need to ask y'all a question. When you see a green like this, do you call it like a baby poop green, or are you more of like, it's like an earthy tone, a very fall based green? Because I go with the latter. I don't think of baby poop when I also don't have a baby, so I wouldn't know. But yeah, I really like these type of greens, so there's gonna be a few more just like it coming up soon. Alright, so this next one is actually an I Want It All exclusive from Sparkle & Co. So if you are currently an I Want It All member, or if you sign up anytime in the future at this time, they let anyone who's in their I Want It All sub bag get access to all previous I Want It All colors. So just a note, if you are an I Want It All subscriber, you can buy this color that came out last December. Was it December? I think it was December. Anyways, it's I Want It All 21 Bottle Service Babes. It is, y'all, let me tell you, the texture of this color is just like unlike any other that I've used. And I'm like, this one is so pretty. It stole my heart when I saw it. When it came out, I was like, I need that one. This next one is I Want It All 4, another one from the I Want It All sub bag. It's called Aloe, It's Me, like hello, it's me. I just think that's cute. I love puns. And it's more of like an aloe green. Like literally we bought aloe vera while we were on our vacation because we got a little bit sunburnt. This is the color aloe vera. Just let you know. This next one, I think I mentioned it in my blue favorites. It's a teal, so teal green, teal blue, like those are kind of like they cross each other. So Electric is one of my absolute favorite teals from any company. It's absolutely stunning. Caribe, that one is, or Caribe, however you choose to say it, Caribe, that one is very pretty. I used it recently in a Manny twin with IWIA, and I was like blown away with how like this hits with blues. Like I don't know if you consider it a green or a blue. It's like a multifaceted glitter. It has so much going on to it. So I'm like, when I look at my screen, I'm like, that's a green. Alright, so this next one is called Moss, and it was sold out for the longest time over on Revel's website, and I think just I kept looking back at it, and I'm like, I need that, I need that, I need that. So when it finally released, I was like, I'm buying it, and I did, and I haven't worn it yet, but I do want to wear it. It's just, there's something so different about it. I don't know. It's not like any of their other greens. Keeping on the Revel train, though, we have Flannel, Wicked, and Pine. These are all solid dip powders from Revel. They're different versions of what people like in green. So you have your olive drab green, more of like a deep forest green, and then Pine. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like on the teal side. It like wants to dip its toes in teal, but it's not teal. I love that. And then this other one is called Dark Forest, another one from Soul Dip that I absolutely love. I actually wore this one with a pink chunky glitter. So pretty. I love it. It's great. I wore it like right before spring too, so it's great for spring, it's great for fall, for Christmas, whatever you want it to be, it's great for that. Alright, so Kimber's Creations came out with a trio of colors. So Holy Guacamole, Pistachio, and Untamed. I don't know what it is about these. Like, I think it's just like the essence of them all three together. I'm just like, wow, those are pretty. So I like the lighter green. I like the darker green. They're very pretty in that chunky glitter. I know a couple other companies have that same glitter, so I'm not just saying like I only like Kimber's color, but it's really like the whole thing together. I'm like, I don't know. I really like it. And then this one, oh my goodness, I love this one. When I saw this one, my heart like wanted to stop. It was just like, that's it. It's so perfect for fall. It's called If Walls Could Talk by Triple D. It is so pretty. I just love the thermal change to it. So unlike any of the other dips that I've mentioned here, this is the only one that changes in terms of like color change. Electric from Revel, that one glows, but the color doesn't technically change. So I think this one is incredible, so definitely pick that up. And we're keeping on the Triple D train with this color called Kimono Babe. Oh my gosh, it's a chunky glitter. She came out with it like 2 years ago with a dark green that paired really well with it. I think it's called Bambootiful. This one is so pretty. If you want like the fall green and gold, like you want something that screams fall, this chunky glitter is it. It is so pretty. And pick up Bambootiful while you're at it. I didn't add Bambootiful to this list, one because like I literally picked like 5 other colors that look just like Bambootiful, but I like this glitter so much. Alright, so we're moving into all powdered up territory. You guys know I love all powdered up, but one thing she doesn't have a lot of is green, and rightfully so, because green doesn't seem to be a lot of people's favorite color, but these greens she did really well. The first one is called Gilded Garland, and the second one is called Girl You So Pine. Just those puns, they just make me so happy. Gilded Garland and the Girl You So Pine came around Christmas time of 2020, and one is more of like a muted softy, I don't know what you would call it, green, and the other one is more of like in your face, but it's so fine. So I really like the both of them. I think they're very pretty, and I think Gilded Garland would actually do really well in fall as well. And then for the last two, I'm pulling out some Zooty nails in here. I know a lot of people are like, there's controversy with Zooty because she has not been open in months. I don't know if you would call that controversy. That's not controversial. She just hasn't been open in months because she doesn't have to. And because like her stuff sells out so fast. So some people are like, what? But these two greens are so pretty in my opinion. The first one is called It's a Major Award. It came around Christmas of 2019, I believe is when it came out. It is so pretty. It literally looks like a lit up Christmas tree. So I love that one. And the last one is called Buttercup. I love this one. So if you ever watch the Powderpuff Girls, Buttercup is one of the superhero girls in that show, and I love this color. It is just so great, and I think it would go great for Halloween manis if you ask me. So that is it. Those are all of my green favorites. Who knows, as we dabble into fall season that is coming up, this list can definitely grow. Next year I might have like 5 new favorite greens, who knows. But for now, as of the day of recording this video, those are my favorite greens. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you guys liked the mention of these glasses in the beginning of the video. I'll have everything that I mentioned below linked below if it's still purchasable. So thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.